Hello everyone, this is Yamin and welcome to Web Knowledge. In this tutorial, we'll see the basic tags of HTML. Let's get started. So first of all, in HTML, every HTML has a opening and a closing. And here you can see HTML. This HTML has the opening. This is called opening, and this is called closing. And then HTML also got the head tag opening and the head tag closing. And after it, we will also have the body tag opening and the body tag closing. Now inside the head, we can write over here, you can see the title tag opening and closing. So inside this title, whatever we write, it will be our website title. Let me just show you my website title. If I now save it, then if I just refresh over here, you can see webpage.html, which is this one. So if I just refresh here you can see my website title at the top. Here you can see, so this is the title part. Okay, so inside the body part, okay, let me just talk about this. This will help us to make our code responsive on different device. Okay, so here in the body part, we can write different kind of tag, like very common is h1 tag. H1 is a header tag actually. So let's say here my header. So if I now save it and if I just refresh here you can see header, my header written over here, and it's bold and bigger. And if I want a little smaller size, what we can do is that we can have another header tag, but instead of h1 we can use h2. Let's say here my header 2, save it and refresh. Here you can see this is a little smaller. So the header tag can go up to from h1 to h6. So let me just show you the h6 part. H6 on. Let me just say over here h6. H6. So this will be the smallest header tag. As you can see, it is really small. Let me just zoom in. Here you can see. So there are a few more tags. So right now let me just show you a tag called p tag. It means it is a paragraph tag. So inside this p tag we can write a paragraph. Let me just copy some text inside this p tag. So I'll go over here and let me just copy a few line from here, Control C, and I'll paste it over here. And if I now save it, then refresh over here, you can see the paragraph over here. You can add another paragraph as well if you want. Control C, Control V. Let's just remove a few text from here. Let's save it, refresh, and here you can see once you write the other sentences in different paragraph, it will automatically create a gap over here. But if you want more gap, then what you can do is that you can use a tag which is called br tag, and which open and close like this. So this will create a space between those two paragraphs. If you save it, then refresh here you can see there is a little more gap over here. And let's say if you want a straight line in between those paragraph, you can do that as well. So for it, you need to use this hr tag, opening and closing. Let's save it and let's refresh over here, and here you can see, we can see a straight line over here. If you just copy those and paste it again, it will create more gap and another more line. Save it, refresh, and there you go. So those are the some really basic tags of HTML. I hope you understand really clearly, and if you have any question, you can let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thanks again for watching, and if this tutorial was useful to you or you learned something, then please make sure to subscribe. I will really appreciate it.